What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark, and let's talk some crypto on this Tuesday. Right, we have a lot of big news coming out with what's coming about with these Ethereum ETFs going live, supposed to start trading today. A lot of news. Will we get that buy the rumor, sell the news event that everyone kind of is worried about? Is all of this priced in already within Ethereum and so on and so forth? We're going to be talking about that a lot on the channel, but in this video I want to get into the world of real world assets, okay, and kind of these institutional offerings that lie within. All right, because these are something that I think goes underrepresented in today's crypto chatter, I should say, but more so in specific, we're going to be talking about ONDO Finance. It's a crypto that we've been talking about a lot on the channel. We're starting to ramp up those discussions, but right now there's a big one because we do talk about Injective a lot. All right, so I do want to talk about what's happening as this integration that we're going to be talking about within these two offerings is starting to come live, and this partnership is going to be a huge move for the future. So that's what we're going to get into. I'll tell you guys what ONDO is doing on the day. Before we do, though, please guys remember, as always, not financial advice, always your own research and due diligence with everything we talk here on the channel. And remember, these are just my opinions as it relates to my assets and investments, okay? But big thing here is, if you can, do me a solid, subscribe down below, smash that like button, and let's talk about some crypto. All right, so this is the official integration with ONDO Finance within Injective. Now, Injective is kind of going to be the beneficiary of this. I think it will have a little reciprocal effect, in my opinion, but more so, we can talk a little bit about the price action, what's going on with these two cryptos. But for me, the big thing here is getting that real world asset in terms of just expanding these institutional offerings. So it's going to be a huge one. Injective is a crypto that I swing trade from time to time, full disclosure. It's kind of on my short list of volatile cryptos. So there are opportunities for me in terms of trading Injective on swing trades, so on and so forth. But into this kind of integration, what we're getting is into and it's important to understand this is going to take effect immediately, okay? So what's going to happen is the tokenized treasury instrument USDY, okay, will be kind of just immediately integrated into their ecosystem. We're going to have this available to use in applications built on Injective, and that will be a move that is expected to improve a lot of the efficiency within the network, okay? Also, the tokenized treasury offerings that will be built into their dApps within decentralized exchanges and money market platforms. All right, so not just that, but this is something where it's going to kind of integrate this mission to tokenize traditional finance on their network, okay? That's where you've looked at why we're kind of bullish on these two cryptos, is because there's the sole reason that they want to basically tokenize traditional finance, okay? And that mission, in terms of adoption of tokenizing assets, that's kind of why I'm turned on to these two cryptos, and for the most part, probably why you guys are watching this video right now, okay? So that's what we're getting into. It's going to continue this trend where I think we're going to see development in this area, but this kind of headline right here, amidst what we have going on with the Ethereum ETFs going live as Injective is integrating ONDO Finance, that's going to be huge as we look to kind of expand this adoption within real world assets, okay? But just a little bit onto the ONDO chart. All right, trading around $1. It's $1.01 as we're currently recording. This is where we've seen ONDO down about 4% on the day. So nothing really positive to report on that front. A lot of times with these integrations, you do see a lot of volatility. You do see bigger flows, bigger ebbs, and it's to be expected, in my opinion. But down the road, right, as real world asset kind of goes on within tokenization and all that process comes to fruition, I think that's where you look at some of these big names, right, like ONDO Finance, so on and so forth, some of the ones we talk about on the channel, that they're really going to have kind of their day in the sun. So that's the headline I wanted to bring you guys in this video. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys are new to the channel, if you found my channel because of ONDO Finance or Injective, please subscribe. Let me know down below in the comments, because the more people that want content on these cryptos, the more videos I'm going to make in covering them with news, headlines, so on and so forth, what's going on in the charts. But you know, it just need to know who out there wants to hear this content, and I have no problem making it. So that's where we're at. Appreciate you guys. Subscribe down below like I told you. Smash that like button if you have not already done so. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.